Simple exercises to tone inner thighs. You can do the following routine 2 or 3 times a week to help tone your inner thigh muscles. Tone muscles can help reduce the appearance of fat. When you do the routine, work through the entire thing, and then repeat it 2 or 3 more times. Before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. One, curtsy lunge. 10 to 15 reps on each leg. No equipment needed. Begin standing with your feet in a wide stance. Keeping your chest upright and shoulders down, cross your left leg behind the right and squat down into a curtsy position. From the lowered position, push your body back upright, bringing your left leg back to the starting position. Next, repeat with the right leg. Alternate legs for 15 to 30 seconds, or perform 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. For an extra challenge, you can hold dumbbells in each hand as you do this exercise. Dumbbells can increase the resistance. 2. Lunges with dumbbell. 30 seconds per leg. Equipment needed, 5 or 8 pound dumbbell. Stand with feet hip width apart and hold a dumbbell in each hand. The weights should be steady at your sides. If you're a beginner, you can also do this with no dumbbells. Step forward with your left leg and lunge forward. Don't let your knee go beyond your toes. You want to keep your leg perpendicular. Your right knee should be about an inch off the ground. Keep holding dumbbells steady and straight in each hand, or perform a bicep curl while you lunge for an additional challenge. Your torso should remain upright the entire time. Keeping your weight mainly in your heels, push your left leg back to the starting position. Repeat this movement with the left leg for 30 seconds. Then, switch legs and lunge with the right. 3. Pile squats. Perform for 30 seconds total. No equipment needed. Stand with feet in a wide stance, with your toes and knees pointed outward. Slowly lower into a squat position. You can keep your hands on your hips to help with balance. Keep your spine and torso upright. Slowly rise back up, squeezing your glutes at the top. Continue for 30 seconds total. 4. Skaters. 20 repetitions. No equipment needed. Start in a curtsy lunge position, see above, with your left leg behind the right and both knees bent. Press sideways off of your left leg and land on the right, with the left foot behind you in a curtsy lunge position on the other side. Switch off between legs. You can either hop or step, depending on your fitness level. You can also keep your back leg off the ground for more of a challenge. Repeat 20 times, 10 per side. Rest and perform another set, if desired. 5. Medicine ball side lunge. 10 to 15 reps or 30 seconds per leg. Equipment needed, medicine ball, optional. Start standing with your feet wider than hips width distance. Hold a medicine ball at your chest level with both hands. If you're a beginner, try this move without the medicine ball. Take a step to the left. Squat down on the left leg by bending your knee and lowering your body until the left thigh is parallel to the floor. Keep your toes pointed forward and your left knee in line with your left ankle. Keep the medicine ball at your chest. It should align with your left hip, elbow, and shoulder when you are in the squat. Push off with your left leg to power back to the starting position. Repeat 10 to 15 times, or for 30 seconds. Switch legs. 6. Supine inner thigh lift. Reps, 15 on each leg. No equipment needed. If you want to do more, you can also increase the intensity of your walk or run by adding an incline. You can do an incline workout indoors on the treadmill or outside on some hills. Running and walking uphill helps engage the thigh muscles. On the treadmill, gradually increase the incline to 5, 10, or 15%. Outside, look for a small hill or steep driveway to start. Do you know that some body fat is essential for sustaining life and protecting your organs? Excess fat can form on the body if you take in more calories than your body can use or burn off. Where your body stores this fat is determined in large part by genetics. Women tend to store extra fat in their hips, lower belly, and inner thighs. Men can also have inner thigh fat, although they tend to store fat in their abdomen area. Do these exercises and your life will never be the same again. They are going to change it for the better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and share the video because you might be making a difference in someone's health.